I was really excited about this trip, unless मुझे 5 बजे उठना पड़ा इसके लिए. Hi Jyoti. Guys, say hi. किसने कुछ नहीं बोला? Oh my God! Are you scared of my vlogging? कोई explain कर सकते हैं कि हमारा पूरा plan क्या है?
Yes.
Yes. Talk me now.
Okay, so we start from half a kilometer from here. We get on a boat, a speedboat, and we travel 8 kilometers. From there we start the trek, 6 kilometers uphill. It will take about 3 hours. After that we go and cook lunch on firewood, and then we go and spend some time in the waterfall, the Meenmutty Waterfall. Yes. And then we roll back down. That's the plan. मैं कभी explain नहीं कर पाती.
कूद जा शिवम. बोल से बोलो. जोर से बोलो.
जय माता दी.
सारे बोलो.
जय माता दी.
आवाज नहीं आई.
जय माता दी.
हाँ लड़कियाँ इसको फॉलो करो. मेरे नीचे ये ठरकी इंसान है. Explain Shiju.
There could be some wild animal sightings. So agar if you have seen it, tell them.
This is our trek. There's one redhead in our company. Hey Jarin Trekker. Hello Ranjit. We are supposed to be very quiet here.
I'm trying my best. Show me your axe. Yeah, he's supposed to save us with this. Look at this. It's so steep. Oh God. बादल बनके पिघलाना. No Shiju, keep walking. The first 3 kilometers of our trek, and we're supposed to be quiet for all of us, which is almost impossible for me, but I'm trying. जोर से बोलो.
जय माता दी.
सारे बोलो.
जय माता दी. इधर देखो इधर.
जय माता दी.
सारे बोलो जय माता दी. फिर से बोलो जय माता दी. जय माता दी. जय माता दी. जोर से बोलो जय माता दी. सारे बोलो जय माता दी. Such a nice trail. Ooh. BB. Sharp. Energy level?
Full.
Energy level.
very bad.
Jaren? Oh, don't say. Energy level.
This was 3 kilometers. We did 3 kilometers. All this for a team photograph, by the way. So we just completed 3 kilometers of our trek. Are you guys tired? बच्चों से जिम जाया करो, एक्सरसाइज किया करो या जिम.
Here we go again. We had a stop here, and now we continue. This is so cool, man.
Come on, guys! Keep up!
Shivam the helper.
तो चले जाना कहाँ ना हो पता,
हवा में
यही है जिंदगी,
ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी.
घूमे बंजारे घूमे गलियां ये बेचारे दोनों.
इलाही मेरा जिया है, पूछो ना पूछो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी बाहों में आकर. Let's go, guys. I tried my level best. Oh, Asha. I was better than her. Woo. Yeah. लौंडो जाओ, मतलब कूद मत जाओ, आराम से. Rest point.
Ooh, it's so lovely.
जमाने की वो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Siddharth, how scared are you?
अगर
Siddharth, how happy are you lead से कटने के बाद? Adventure पूरा?
पूरा ये देखो.
So we've just changed in our cottage. Wait, that cottage. And हम अब थोड़ा waterfall पे chill करेंगे. That is the waterfall. I think हम 2-3 घंटे अब वहीं रहेंगे. We'll cook there. नहाएंगे, मजे मारेंगे. Yay! दिखा भाई, शक्ल दिखा.
ये देखिए, इसमें इनका चिकन बनेगा.
ओहो
तो एक शाकाहारी आदमी उठा रहा है.
तू तो अपवित्र हो गया रे.
इसीलिए मैं भिगोना उठाने का कष्ट.
भिगोना नहीं, भगोना. भिगोना
भिगोना ही तो है.
Oh my god, this is so cool, and we are going to be here for like 2 hours. Yay! Woo! Apparently it's very deep also. Oh my god. Yay! This is so cool. Jaren, come out of your ghungat. Oh, he has a pink towel. By the way, we had the best 2 hours here. Oh my god. If you are near Trivandrum or in Kerala, just come to this place. This is like the best place to have fun. We went to this spot, that mini waterfall there. I touched that. Record हो रहा है? हाँ. Okay guys, it's raining so badly right now. I don't know हम कैसे नीचे पहुँचेंगे. True, that's true. That's my shoe sole. How do you feel, Meghna?
मैं भी One is Jarin's.
Yeah, he is alive. He's still alive this time.
Final video.
So that is all for this vlog. After this we were just dead. All of us were dead, and this day is definitely one of the best days I've had in Trivandrum. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this vlog, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, comment down what you liked, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.